HD on vlog. Today we're gonna unbox my new handheld fan from Alpina or Alpina, and this fan have built-in battery inside, and it have 2-year guarantee. So it includes USB cable and 3-speed fan that's unique, and 4.5 hours runtime, and long life lithium battery. I think this battery is a good quality, not like others that it degrades very fast. The lifespan of the battery will be long. So it is also lightweight, and let's check the boxing. It's the same on the other side. Well, here's the specification of the span feed and the battery. So at level 1, playtime is 4.5 hours. That's the volume. In the level 2, 3.5 hours. And the level 3 is 1.5 hours. So the total battery capacity is 1200 milliamps of battery. Okay. Well, this is a product of Netherlands, but it was made in People's Republic of China. So let's open it. I'm gonna need a cutter. Okay. ElectricFan is very useful these days because it's so very warm, you know. Global warming is real. So, no, it's the wrong side. Okay. So, this is the main product, and it includes stand. Hmm. I'm not sure if this is like a wireless charging, for example. It would be good if there's a wireless charging fan, then you can put your fan in here, charge it. But I think no one have designed that yet. So let's continue. But fan, and this is it. Hmm. It looks exciting. So let's turn it on. So there's a light indicator here that means it's on. Second volume level and strongest. So it's not very noisy in a way. So this is what it looked like when the fan is on the stand. And before that, let's talk about the wire. This wire is micro USB, and it's about 10 inches long, and it is capable of charging with portable battery. I mean, power bank. So, it worked. If you can see the red light indicator here, it means it's charging. And so let's talk about what I think about the ElectricFan, the handheld portable and inbuilt battery fan. I think this is very great when you're traveling um, around. If you have a very small bag, you can just put it in your pocket or in your luggage. You can bring it anywhere. It's very mobile and very light also, just like what the box said. Yeah. Well, the box said it's lightweight and powerful. So enough for the box. And I hope you enjoy my short unboxing and review. And I'm gonna show you first the body of the fan before we go. So it have like a rubber in here, same texture as here. And I really wish, that it's a bit more high tech. You can charge it in wireless charging, but I hope someone will notice this and maybe design a new one. It will be great. Just a good idea, giving idea to all fan makers because global warming is real. Well, that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy my video and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a nice day. Bye bye.